Yo, what up everybody? So this is a Cadillac ATS 2013. I'm gonna give you a few tips on how to remove the alternator. There's 3 bolts. I don't know if you can see, but there's 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom. So first, what I did is I removed the cover so that I can get a hold of that bolt back there. You can see it right there. So you remove that one, you loosen this one, and then you remove the 2 on top right here. That will free up the reservoir that belong here. You remove the reservoir. Once you remove the reservoir, it will give you all this room to reach these bolts for the alternators. 2 bolts at the top, 1 at the bottom. It's very easy to get to them once I remove that that reservoir. You also remove the, obviously remove the hoses, but you're gonna have a little trouble here. There's the wire harness that gets in the way. Just push it down a little bit, not too much. You don't want to pull on anything, and you'll be able to access that back top bolt for the alternator, and I'll show you guys when I remove it. So the size on the bolts and the alternators is 13, so I used that one. A little bit of a longer extension would have helped me out, but it was no big deal. I mean, I hit this wire harness a little bit, but as you can see, I have successfully removed one of the bolts. I'll put that right here. I'm gonna remove the second one. So it's out. One last thing, don't forget to remove the electrical and the ground. I believe this should be a 13 as well. We'll see now. Let's see what it says now when we stick it in there. Let's see. So as I'm editing this video, I just wanted to finish off that I just pulled out the alternator. Once you remove that, I think that's the battery or electrical. Once you remove that, you just simply pull it out, and you just pull it out from where my hand is, and it'll slip right out.